What if I told you that the days of spending hours in Photoshop creating layered designs are over? In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use this new AI tool to generate professional multi-layered designs in seconds that you can actually edit afterward. Not just flat images like other AI tools, but fully separated layers you can customize however you want. The people already using this are creating stunning promotional materials in minutes instead of hours. Don't miss this if you create any kind of visual content. Welcome to another video here in Traffic and 3. Today I'm going to show you an incredible AI tool called ART, which stands for Anonymous Region Transformer. This revolutionary tool doesn't just generate images, it creates images with multiple transparent layers that you can edit individually after generation. Let's dive in and see how it works. What is this ART tool? ART is a groundbreaking AI system that takes image generation to the next level. Instead of just creating a flat single-layer image, it can generate multi-layered compositions, creates transparent elements you can move around, allows for precise post-editing, gives you control over each component. Think of it like getting a professionally designed image that's already separated into Photoshop or Illustrator layers. Before we jump into the demo, let me show you a few examples of what ART can create. Here's a beautiful poster created by ART, but what makes it special is that it's not just one image. As you can see here, there are multiple layers. We have the background here, text elements as separate transparent layers, and this central image all generated independently. Here's another example, a stunning poster with multiple elements. Notice how all these components can be separated into their own transparent layers. Now let's try ART for ourselves. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, head to the ART Hugging Face demo page. It's completely free to use. You can find the details with the link in the description below. Now we need to create a detailed prompt describing what we want. Let's take one of the examples they provide as a reference and change it to a concert invitation poster. Let's write in our prompt. The image is a graphic design with a concert invitation theme. At the top, there is a banner with the text Traffic and 3 in a bold, sans serif font. Below this banner, there is a circular frame containing a photograph of a band. The singer has short dark hair and is wearing a light-colored sweater, while the rest of the band has long blonde hair and is also wearing leather jackets. They're all playing different instruments. Surrounding the circular frame are decorative elements such as skulls, guitars, drumsticks, which add a rock touch to the design. Below the circular frame, there is a text that reads, "Life in your city," in a cursive, elegant font. At the bottom of the image, there is a banner with a message that says, "Come to join this amazing experience next weekend." This text is in a smaller, sans serif font and is placed against a solid background. The overall style of the image is a band invitation with a color scheme that includes shades of neon colors and night lights, which contribute to an engaging atmosphere. Instead of using the one-click Generate All button, I'll show you the step-by-step process so you can see how ART works behind the scenes. First, click Commit to run your prompt through the Anonymous Region Layout Planner. What's happening now is that ART is analyzing your prompt and figuring out how to position all these elements into different layers. Now you'll see a set of box coordinates that represent where each element will be placed. These coordinates are automatically copied to the next section. Click again to generate the final images. And here is the result. Let's look at what ART has created. The background layer plain black with some neon colors and night lights as we asked. The band photographed in the circular frame, but is only one guy and not all band members. I think is because we didn't emphasize clearly on how many and what instruments in our prompt. The decorative elements like skulls, guitars, and drumsticks are not very clear. At least the Traffic and 3 banner on top is correct. The cursive title of Life in Your City text have some typos, the same as the other message at the bottom. The best part, you can download all these elements separately and import them into any photo editing software. In conclusion, ART is truly revolutionary for designers, marketers, social media creators, or anyone who needs to create visual content. Instead of manually creating designs and dragging elements around, you can now prompt an AI to generate everything in editable layers. However, it's important to note some limitations of the current version. The text and fonts aren't always consistent with what you specify in your prompt. You might ask for a specific font style, but get something different in the final output. One major drawback is that you can't directly edit the text content once you have the result. The text is generated as an image layer. This means you need to delete it and create new text in your editing software if you want to change the wording. It would be much more convenient if ART could generate actual editable text layers rather than image-based text, allowing you to simply click and type to modify any text element. Despite these limitations, this tool might eventually replace traditional design platforms by combining the power of AI generation with the flexibility of layered editing. The developers are likely working on these issues for future updates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.